Imagine opening your LinkedIn and seeing a private message directly from a recruiter on LinkedIn saying, "You are the person we are looking for. We have a role. Would you be interested in knowing more about it?" Sounds like a dream, maybe, does it? Especially if you've just left college or university and you're looking for that ideal role. Well, it doesn't have to be. So let's talk today about 7 things we can do on your LinkedIn profile to help you get found by the people that you want to work for. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I want you to look at is your profile photograph. Have you got a good, strong, solid LinkedIn personal profile photograph? Your photograph is like your digital handshake. Is it a clear photograph of your head and shoulders looking directly into the camera? Profiles with a photograph get 14 times more views. Seriously, if you do not have your photograph on LinkedIn, please rectify that immediately. So you want a clear, recent headshot with good lighting, no filters, no group shots, and please nobody else in your photograph, and definitely no alcohol. Just you looking like somebody that we might want to connect with. All right, number 2, write a headline that sparks curiosity. Your headline is what makes your profile clickable. It also helps you get found by the right people on this platform. It follows you everywhere on LinkedIn. It's in your posts, it's in your comments, it's when you join groups, it's when you show up in the search results. It is so important you spend a little bit of time on your LinkedIn headline. That is this bit of your profile right here, your headline. So instead of putting something like project manager, and we have senior project manager, and this one we have independent Microsoft 365 consultant, trainer, team superfan, sales project manager, interior architecture, visionary. Oh, that's a good one. I like this one a lot. Scroll down, project manager, project director. So let's spend a bit of time on your profile headline so you stand out to those ideal target employers. The tip is make it your own. Don't copy somebody else's, make it your own. So spend a little bit of time thinking about it. Okay, number 3, use your about section to tell your story. What are you passionate about? What projects have you worked on? What makes you stand out? So rather than having just a couple of lines about your key role, let's talk about why you love what you do. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy doing? Let's have a quick look at Ryan Roslansky's CEO at LinkedIn. What does his say? He's passionate about connecting the world's professionals to make them more productive and successful. Well done, Ryan. You get a gold star. Highlight your best moments. Do break it up though. Think about how someone's looking at your profile. Bullet points are good here, and make sure you add your skills at the end. So Ryan's top skills are leadership. In fact, that's the only one he's added. And then I always suggest you add a call to action saying to someone, for example, I'm free to connect. Let's have another look at Neil Mohan, who is the CEO at YouTube. What does he have on his? He hasn't got one. Please do not make this mistake. Please add an about section on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, number 4, let's look at your experience section and let's build an experience section that makes an impact. So what have you worked on? What projects have you worked on? Can you share presentations? Can you share images? Don't just list your responsibilities. Write it in a way that tells a little story about somebody. I want to find a really good one now. Okay, so here is a good example. So Fiona worked at Zenith Technologies as a QC, quality control support specialist, and it's got some data here. Initiated cost savings of 200,000 achieved full capex spend 7 months ahead of schedule. This is the kind of content we want you to put into your LinkedIn profile. Also, it's connected through to the company that she worked in. So take a little bit of time and write a story in here that will take people to see what you've achieved and to tell a story within your experience section. Okay, next is your skills section. So you can add 50 skills in here, but you do not have to add 50 skills. Make sure they are in the order that you want them to appear to the reader. So email marketing, customer experience, and it tells you where this person has built these, has got these skills from. So if we go to my profile, I'll just show you. Let's go view profile, scroll down to the skills section. So we have skills, LinkedIn marketing, it's at the top, digital marketing analytics, and it says these are at my role. This is the training that I've done in this, all 5 details. So really boost this information as much as you can. Get endorsements for your skills if you can. Have those skills in your about section up here, top skills in this section here. Ask your colleagues for endorsements, and ask your friends for endorsements, because it does make a difference in being found through the search on LinkedIn. Okay, now make sure you have your education section, and I'm just going to scroll down to my education section here. So in the education, and this is a little tip that will go a long way, write the full title out. So rather than just MSc, mine says Master of Science, Master of Arts. Put your full title of your degree in here and make sure it's connected through to the university where you got the degree. All right, now I want you to get some recommendations on your profile. So go to your recommendations section and ask people for recommendations. How you do it is you click on the plus sign and you ask a recommendation from someone that has worked alongside you. If you're just graduating, somebody who was tutoring you at university, just get some recommendations on your profile. And don't forget to return the favour and send some to people as well. So put the person in, click continue. Relationship, they were a client of mine. What was I doing at the time? I was doing this work for my profile. Thanks so much, Louise. That's it, nice and simple, and just send it to the person and wait and see if they send you a recommendation back. Okay, don't get overwhelmed by all of this. Go through this step by step. Just make sure that your whole profile is optimized so you can get found by recruiters and people who are looking for what it is that you do. I want to hear from you in the comments below, so tell me, what are your questions about your LinkedIn profile? I am here to give you tips and advice, and all I need to do is ask. I want to help you. If this video did help, please do hit subscribe and share with one of your colleagues who might find it useful as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.